President Emmerson Mnangagwa, in his capacity as the ZANU-PF First Secretary, has moved to reinvigorate the ruling party's controversial grassroots machinery, urging members to intensify political activity at the cell level across urban areas, villages, and commercial farms, structures that critics say have historically functioned as instruments of surveillance, intimidation, and political control. Sanapenda mashikubdanyi kwachinzi EDO's Party Violence Engine War Veterans. Rupa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida mnao zirimodonyi kwa mchinzi. Nangagwa made the remarks after personally leading a national cell verification exercise at Dambudzo 1 cell cricket farm near Kwekwe, underscoring the centrality of party cells in enforcing loyalty and mobilization at community level. He described the cells as the foundation of ZANU-PF's organization, arguing that unity, mobilization, and communication depend on sustained grassroots participation. However, since independence in 1980, such structures have repeatedly been associated with the state-sanctioned violence and coercion, particularly during election periods and moments of political dissent. From the early 1980s, Uguraundi campaign in Madebeleland and the Midlands through the violent farm invasion and militia mobilization of early 2000s to post-coup crackdowns and election-related intimidation, ZANU-PF's grassroots networks, including youth militias, war veterans, and local party cells, have played a central role in enforcing political compliance. These campaigns have often blurred the line between party and state, leaving civilians vulnerable to abuse. The cell verification exercise itself was introduced ahead of the 2023 general elections, officially framed as a means to strengthen party structures, update membership roles, and improve voter mobilization. In practice, opposition parties and civil society organizations have warned that the exercise facilitates political profiling and coercion, particularly in the rural communities where access to state resources is tightly controlled. Tomashikwana mudachitogwa panguva ino pamusoro pe-this exercise inoitiwa nemutungamiri wenyika. Pina comment section medu zvafungura any more kudii pamusoro pechitwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.